In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix file not found. Check the file name and try again in Windows 10. So friends, to resolve this issue, firstly click on Start, then click on Settings. In here click on Update and Security. Click on Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. In here scroll down and click on Manage Settings underneath Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Now scroll down and here you will see the option Controlled Folder Access. So underneath Controlled Folder Access, click on Manage Controlled Folder Access. Now in here you need to turn off this option. It will ask permission, so click on Yes. Now close it and restart your PC. Hopefully friends, by using this very simple method, this issue and problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.